Just had a very terrible accident here. The trailer came off and the trailer is shut. That tire is gone and all the cages at the back. Okay guys, a bit of bad news that happened there. We are just waiting for the insurance. The monkeys are safe, they're in their boxes, they're sleeping. So yeah, a bit of a trip of hell today. I'm about 300 kilometers away from home, but Lisanne is busy with the insurance, and then they're going to come and pull the trailer in with all the material, and then assessor will come out tomorrow to come and assess the damage, but then I can move on with the monkeys and then get them sorted. They are sleeping now, the monkeys are okay. At the back is Romeo. Romeo is wide awake, and this side is Juliet. So yeah guys, monkeys are okay, it's just the trailer is shut. I think a new chassis and all that, and a new hub and all that, but yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. We are safe for now, so all good.